bar for all the poets in the house. Yeah, no pressure. No pressure. We've got 22 poets lined up for today. I'm guessing there's going to be English, there's going to be English, there's going to be Hindi, there's going to be a whole bunch of other languages tossed in for good measure. There are going to be people making up their own words and you know, completely defying any laws of grammar. But that's what poetry slams are about. And we use the word slam very loosely here, because you will have people talking about poetry, you'll have people reciting poetry, you'll have people rapping poetry, and you know what they say about people rapping poetry, right? So, all poetry can be rap, but not all rap is poetry. So, but we're going to have them all here. Good, bad, ugly, and absolutely mind-blowing. And your job, or at least 4 people of y'all, are going to have to judge who they are. And at the end of the night, we're going to give 2 of them a prize to take home. And that's going to be all your money. So, for all of y'all who've paid $100 already, now you know where it's going, yeah? Let's get this started. Let me just quickly reach out to my man, Rajesh. Rajesh, where are you? Okay, there he is. So, at any point in time, if you are not having a good time, you need to complain to that man. He will give you your money back, and then he will strip for you. Okay, he is my designated stripper for the night. Now let me find my designated judges. I need 4 people, right Rajesh, 4? Okay, so I need 4 people to be judge, jury and executioner for all the poets who come up. Can I have a raise of hands? We will do this, no gender bias, so we'll do it 2 guys, 2 girls. So let's do the guys, let's get the guys out of the way first. So 2 guys who are not performing tonight. Okay, I've got 1 man over there. Can you shout out your name, please?
Pritesh.
Pritesh?
Yeah.
Okay, so Pritesh, if you can come up here, I'll give you your board and stuff, and we like to make this all official. Do you have a pen, Pritesh?
No, I'm not carrying.
Okay, we'll give you a pen, but that professional. Check this out. Okay, so you can go back to your seat. Okay? Yeah, please go back. We can't have you here. Okay, I need another man in the house. Come on, manly man. Dude, come up. What's your name?
Shobik.
Shobit. You Bengali?
K.
Shobik. Okay, you Bengali, Shobik? Oh man, you're so Watch out for it. It's a Bengali judge. You guys are so screwed for tonight. Here you go. Okay, now on to my favorite part of the night. Sorry?
I said you got 2 extremes
2 extremes. Why? What are you, boss?
from this side.
Oh, from that side. Okay. That so explains it. Okay. Moving on to the lovely ladies. Can I have, I can only see 1 lovely lady here. Where are the other ladies who are not performing? Raise your hands. Ladies who are not performing? Okay, 1. Oh, they're hiding behind. You can't hide behind over there. I'm supposed to pick on you right through the night. Didn't they tell you that when you walked in? Okay, the one, like the one hiding behind over there. Raise your hand again. Okay, we've got, you know what, I really would like to have a non-Indian judge, but you might not get the Hindi stuff. Do you understand Hindi? Okay, Thoda is more than enough. You know what? We're going to take you as a judge. The friend beside you wanted to be a judge as well. She can translate for you. So that's perfectly okay. So why don't you come on up? Come on up, get your pad. It's okay, don't be shy. You can tell us your name. Katie. Okay, very nice, Katie. Where are you from?
The US.
The US, okay. So you know this is going to be an absolutely crap night, right? You've probably seen the real thing and you're like, shit, who are these guys kidding? You know, poetry slam, really? Okay, so be gentle, Katie, yeah? I know you've seen the real thing, so. Okay, and lady?
I will be leaving very soon, so I'm sorry.
Okay, and lady here? Can you please? Okay, so your name again?
Malti.
Malti. Okay, so we have Katie, Malti, we have Shobik and Pritesh.
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant. I remember everyone's name. Okay.